Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I share with you the simple turkey spinach stew. You can also call it a Agusi stew. Let's get right into it. To a pot, I'll add in my cleaned turkey. I'll add chopped onion, garlic powder, ginger, chili powder, paprika, rosemary, anise seed, black pepper, salt, and chicken seasoning. Cover it and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'll go ahead to blend my vegetables. I've added in water to my blender, and then I'll add in my melon seed, onion, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, scallion, and green bell peppers. I'll blend everything until it is smooth. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'll check on my meat. I'll give it a good stir, and then I'll cover it again and allow it to steam for 10 more minutes. It's been about 10 more minutes and my turkey is very well cooked. I'll remove it from flame and set it on the side. To a separate pot, I'll add in oil. This is about a cup and a half of oil. And then I'll begin to fry my turkey. I'll fry my turkey until it is golden brown or to my preferred brownness. My turkey is very well fried now. I'll remove it from the oil and then set it on the side. To the same oil, I'll add in my sliced onion. I have both the red and the white onion. I'll allow the onion to fry for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come in with my crushed tomatoes. I'll add in my turkey stock, give it a stir. I'll cover and allow it to cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes, and I'll be stirring periodically. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. God bless you. My stew has been frying for about 10 minutes, so at this point, I'll add in my blended melon seed with the vegetables, and then I'll give it a stir. I'll cover and allow it to also cook on medium flame until the agusi is very well cooked, and that should take about 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll add in my green beans, carrot, and celery. You can add any vegetables of choice. I'll also go ahead to add in my shrimp seasoning. You can use any seasoning of choice, and then I'll cover for about 10 minutes before adding in my spinach. I'm adding in about 6 pounds of spinach. This was frozen. I thawed it, squeezed out the water, and then I'm adding it to my stew. I'll add in half a tablespoon of salt. You can also add it to your taste. I'll give it a stir. I allowed it to cook for about 5 minutes, and then I added in my turkey. I'll stir in the turkey, and then it was ready to be served. I enjoy this with boiled yam. You can enjoy this with rice, eba. You can enjoy this with fufu or any starch of choice. This was so delicious and the flavors in it was amazing. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Please don't forget to share this with your friends and your family. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.